It's almost the end of the school year. Some of you already ended the year, but you want to highlight the hard work of your students. You want to give your students a certificate of completion. Now, the problem is you need to make it fast. You need to type all the names. And there are 100 students.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So what shall I do? Use this hack to make things easier for you. No need to type names. It will just populate in the certificate and you're ready to print. These are the steps to make a certificate. Assuming that you already have a certificate which you already prepared in advance. So this is my template. Certificate of completion, first online math course, and then I need to write all my students' name in here. So what shall I do? First of all, be sure you already have a list of students already generated in a separate Excel spreadsheet. So this is my list of students. I already have 10 students here, but you could have more. There's no limit. Okay. So that's in my desktop. Next, I go back to my Word document, and this is the trick. This is the best thing that I learned, and I want to pass it to you. Tools, Mail Merge, and then in Mail Merge, create form letter. And then go to number 2, get the list from where? Open data source. That's where you go to the place where you have the file. Mine is in my desktop, list of students. So it will capture that spreadsheet. The file needs to be opened by Excel, just say OK. Okay, we pressed OK. It's asking you, will I open the sheet and the cell range, entire worksheet? Press OK. Next, in step 3, you would see insert placeholder. Okay, you would see an asterisk which says list of students. So that means all the names are in there. Where do you want it to be? Go back to your template, click on recipient name. I click on that, and then I drag that asterisk over there. And it say list of students. Good, that means it's already there. For step 4, there's nothing else to do in step 4. For step 5, you don't need that. Step 6 is the most important one. The first icon will merge to the printer, so you're ready to print. Or step 2 is merge to a new document. So it will generate a new document with all the certificates in it as page 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, click on that. After doing steps 1 through 6, then you are ready to check out your documents. Let's check out our documents. I scroll down. That's the original template. Okay. Whoa, the name is already there. I got Jane Ganda. I got John Doe. I got Juan de la Cruz. Julie Sayawe. You just want to check if it's really there. You don't want to miss any of the names, because if you skip one of the names of the students during graduation or stepping up, you'll be in trouble. Julie Sayawe is there. Okay, Devin Smith is there. Natasha is there. Tenzin, Mohammed, Jamil Pogi. All right, they're all there. Guess what? You're ready to print. Do you like it?